I promise we didn't give you the purple that you think looks like another purple. And here's proof, because we have a bunch of different purples here and they all look so different. And this isn't even our creams. This is just special finish polishes. And then this is one of my favorite purples. It's Gloom. So this purple has a nice gold undertone to it. I think it looks so cool. So there's tons and tons of different options for everyone. So if you say that you can't find a purple, I bet I could prove you wrong. We've got lots of purples that I'm sure you'll fall in love with at least one, if not more. I actually really like seeing them all lined up together. What do you all think? I think it's nice so that way we can really see the differences in the colors. Never too many purples, right?